Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another hardware review. In this video we are taking a detailed look at the new Vontar R5 Android TV box. Specifically, I am testing the 2GB RAM and 16GB storage version. We will examine its features, check the new Android 14 operating system, and see how the Realtek processor handles media playback. I purchased this unit for €37, which is approximately $40. I have included an affiliate link to AliExpress in the video description below. We will examine its features, check the new Android TV 14 operating system, and see how the Realtek processor handles media playback. Let's get started. Let's start the Vontar R5 review with the unboxing. I am testing the 2GB RAM and 16GB storage version. The packaging is neat and uncrushed, with specifications clearly printed. Inside we find a standard kit, the TV box, an HDMI cable, a power adapter, and a manual. Note that the 2 AAA batteries required for the voice remote are not included. The remote itself features a circular directional pad and dedicated shortcut buttons for YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, and a TV app. Holding the Vontar R5 in my hands, it feels compact and lightweight, typical for this price segment. Let's check the physical connections. On the back we have a DC power input, an HDMI 2.1B port supporting 4K at 120 Hz, a 100 megabit LAN port, and an optical audio output. On the side, we find standard USB ports for your peripherals. Under the hood, this small shell hides the new Realtek 1325 processor, a Mali G57 GPU, and the latest Android 14 TV operating system. Black Bluetooth remote with a clear, functional layout. At the top, there is a red power button and a Google Assistant shortcut for voice commands. It features a large, central circular pad for navigation. Below that are the essential mouse, home, and back buttons. Crucially, it includes 4 dedicated white shortcut buttons for Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and a generic TV app. At the bottom is the volume rocker. It is a standard but good TV remote. Now let's connect the Vontar R5 to the TV. The setup process is very straightforward. First, plug the included HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the back of the box and connect the other end to your television. Next, I highly recommend plugging an Ethernet cable into the LAN port for a stable internet connection, which is crucial for 4K streaming. Finally, connect the power adapter to the DC input and plug it into the wall. The device will turn on automatically. Once the device powers on, the first step is to pair the Bluetooth remote. The on-screen prompt will ask you to do this. To pair it, simply press and hold the center round OK button and the back button simultaneously. Keep holding them for a few seconds until the LED indicator flashes. The TV box will connect to the remote automatically. Now we have full control and can proceed to the setup. Now looking at the screen as seen here, the Vontar R5 displays the standard familiar Android TV interface. At the very top you have the Search, Home, and Apps tabs. Below that is the customizable Favorite Apps row, which includes the Play Store, YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, and Spotify. As you see on the screen, my Ethernet is currently not connected. Further down, you can organize your home screen channels. It is a very clean and easy to navigate interface. Let's explore the video and audio capabilities that make this box special. For video, the Realtek chip supports 4K at 120 Hz via HDMI 2.1B, full AV1 decoding, and an eye upscaling for incredibly sharp images with HDR10+. For audio enthusiasts, it is equally impressive. It features EARC support and a dedicated optical audio output. This allows you to pass uncompressed, high-fidelity music and surround sound directly to your soundbar or a V receiver without losing any quality. Now let's test YouTube 4K playback. Looking at the stats for nerds on the screen, the video is playing smoothly at full 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Notice the codec section. It shows a VO1. This proves the Realtek hardware is successfully decoding the heavy AV1 format, not just older VP9. The performance is excellent. It dropped only 6 frames out of nearly 2,000. With a stable 32 megabit connection speed, we have a healthy 38-second buffer. It runs flawlessly. Let's talk about gaming. I tested Beach Buggy Racing and it runs perfectly. You will need a controller. I am using one with a 2.4 GHz USB dongle for easy connection. The link is in the description. This box handles medium and retro games effortlessly, however, cloud gaming is tricky. X-Force now failed to launch The Witcher 3 for me, and Real Racing 3 wouldn't download additional files. If you had better luck with these, please leave a comment. Overall, solid for basic gaming. Next, I checked the thermal performance. I monitored the CPU temperature during heavy use, and as you can see, it sits comfortably at 60 degrees Celsius. It generally fluctuates between 60 and 70 degrees. This is a very safe operating range. Because it does not overheat significantly, the processor avoids thermal throttling. This means the system will not start lagging during extended gaming or streaming sessions. You can also see the system uses about 1.1 gigabytes of the available RAM. Let's talk about streaming platforms, specifically Netflix. The Vontar R5 does not have official Netflix certification. However, there is good news. The pre-installed Netflix app is the actual TV version, not the mobile app. This means you do not need an annoying mouse cursor to navigate. It works perfectly with the remote control's directional pad. Just keep in mind that without the official certificate, Netflix playback resolution will be limited to 1080p, not full 4K. To conclude, for around $40, the Vontar R5 is a solid budget device. It handles 4K V1 streaming and retro gaming very well, running cool without thermal throttling. While the 2 gigabytes of RAM limits heavy multitasking, it offers great value. Links to the TV box and the gaming dongle are in the description. Also, remember to secure your streaming with NordVPN. Check the link below for a discount. Please like and subscribe for more factual reviews. See you next time.